think about breakfast, I always think about eggs. But today, I'm going to share with you a recipe that we can make from the eggs that you can use for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can just eat it by itself. We're going to be making egg salad. The recipe is so delicious and takes no time at all. So now, let's go over the ingredients. We have 5 hard-boiled eggs. Now, to get the perfect hard-boiled eggs, you're going to put them in boiling water for about 9 minutes. You want to make sure on the inside it's nice and bright, not a gray color, nice and bright yellow. 5 hard-boiled eggs. 1 stalk of celery. Now, we're going to cut the celery as fine as possible. We're going to use the celery leaves and the celery stalk. This is so nutritious and this will add an extra crunch to our salad. About 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. About 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. You're going to chop the onion as finely as you can. 1 bunch of parsley. Now, a generous bunch of parsley. All Barbadians love parsley, so we're going to add parsley to our dish. And to balance it off will be 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. First step is to cut our eggs. Now, off camera, I would have removed the skin. Sometimes it's not as perfect as you would like, but that doesn't matter because we're going to be chopping our eggs. So we're going to chop. And once we're done, I'm going to put it into a large bowl. Now it's time to add all of our ingredients together. So we're going to add our celery. Celery is going to give it a nice crunch. Our onion. Our local product. Everyone loves parsley. And stir it gently. We don't want it to be a paste. We're going to stir it gently. And the last ingredient we will add is our mayonnaise. Our egg salad is done. Now it's time to taste. I need to get some of the parsley, some of the yolk. I want to get everything in this one bite. Excellent. The textures are going on. You get the crunch from the celery and a little bit from the onion, and the softness you get from the egg. Totally delicious. Egg salad. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this egg salad recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salad recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.